Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile live on TikTok. We'll cover everything you need to know, from setting up your device and optimizing your account to engaging your audience effectively. My goal is to help you share your exciting gameplay with a wider community, making your live streams both fun and professional. Get ready to dive into the world of mobile gaming and live broadcasting with confidence. Before you go live, it's crucial to prepare. First, check TikTok's live streaming eligibility requirements to ensure your account qualifies. Next, optimize your phone's settings for peak performance and battery life, perhaps by closing background apps. A strong, stable internet connection is absolutely essential for a smooth stream, so connect to Wi-Fi if possible. Finally, consider using a good headset for clear audio. Once your setup is ready, it's time to go live. Open the TikTok app and navigate to the live streaming option. You'll need to select Call of Duty Mobile as your game source to display your gameplay. Before starting, craft an engaging title and add relevant tags to attract more viewers to your stream. Then, hit that live button and begin sharing your epic moments with the world. To keep your audience hooked, active engagement is key. Make sure to respond to comments and questions in real time, making viewers feel included. Maintain a positive and energetic attitude throughout your stream, even during intense matches. If you're using your front camera, ensure good lighting and a tidy background. Don't forget to promote your upcoming streams on other social media platforms to grow your viewership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.